the only reason we came to Stackpole Quay, really, wasn't it?
Jam.
Not the diving, it was just the jam.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the jam.
Some serious jamming going on over the corner.
Don't look at me! I'm a monster!
We're going to do it in really short sequences now. Okay. It's environmentally friendly packaging. We've got to get the spreading bit right. 1 hour and a half dive later, we have an excuse to each. Loads of this. Oh,
This is sorted.
this is the best of the West.
Straight in there.
Don't mess around, see, bud. This is gonna get dirty, look
Stop
away.
messing around then.
We're going to get criticised for which way we put our jam in. Hands
Yeah,
on
what's- We've all done it the same way, I think.
Next time on Wales Best of the West.
We're reviewing.
Jake learns.
We're reviewing cream teas across Wales. Cymru gorau gorllewin.
Sgonnau gorau'r gorllewin.
Sgonnau gorau Sir Benfro.
Say again.
Sgoniau gorau Sir Benfro. Best scones in South Wales.
Just gone right.
Hey, leave me alone.
The beast itself.
Boosh.
And that's the end of Wales Best of the West. Goodbye.